चेंजर भी साबित होगा, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं, आपने कहा कि यहाँ का जो पूरा माहौल है वो बदल गया और वहाँ के जो निवेशक हैं उनका क्या कहना है, वो कितने उत्साहित हैं। एक बार फिर से सुनवाते हैं कि आखिरकार इस समिट को लेकर कितनी आशाएं और आकांक्षाएं निवेशकों के मन में हैं।
It's a great experience. I never thought that he will come and will ask many things. So I explained about our company Hokulupe, what we are doing. We have received the license from UPI, from RBI and NPCI, and I did said that, sir, as your vision Bharat, Viksit Bharat, we are also with that vision. We are promoting the digital payments and UPI payments to Assam, remote areas, mainly in the rural areas where people still using the cash transactions. So through our UPI, through our system, the digital payment will be enabled in every pin codes, in every the villages of the Assam, Northeast, and all the rural India. That is what I told, and he really liked it, and he said that you do your all the best, grow it in all the other places of the Assam, Northeast, everywhere.
We are building the technology stack right now, and we will go live by May. And we have our teams put up at both Bangalore and Chennai. So we are working day and night, and both RBI is monitoring us and giving us all the guidelines. So we are working out on the application, and hope we will be live soon, and we'll be a trendsetter in the Northeast region.
Advantage Assam is a great opportunity for all the business categories and businessmen how to tap the advantage of new schemes, new policies in advance, and how we can grow further. We are offering around 2 manufacturing units. One for the pulp plant, which is the India first commercial pulp plant, which made from bamboo. It's 100% green paper that will save the environment and remove the cutting of tree. And second one, we are discussing about the hybrid motorbike, which is the world first hybrid motorbike, which is invented by our team and will be introduced and as an introductory offer at 99,000 rupees, first hybrid bike in India.
एडवांटेज असम 2.0 हमारे लिए और समस्त देशवासियों के लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। इसके अंदर काफ़ी अच्छे योजनाएं इन्होंने दी हैं, जिसके तहत काफ़ी इंडस्ट्रीज़ यहाँ पे अट्रैक्ट हुई हैं। इनफैक्ट हम लोग भी TWA ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज़ की तरफ से हम 2 प्लांट यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करने की बात कर रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर
तो सुना आपने कि जो तमाम निवेशक हैं उनके पास अपनी अपनी वो बातें हैं जो